What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see where I'm tuning in from. Boom. Jhall Automotive on this Sunday, man. Beautiful Sunday. I know I ain't give y'all no video yesterday. Well, at this point, right now, I'm shooting on the Sunday. So if I saw a video, I live stream. But if y'all didn't, I just didn't live stream. But anyway, we over here, man. We got parts. Boom. The cover. Tongue cover came in early. If you want this cover, I'm gonna put the link in the description of the video, man. This for a short bed, S10, not a long bed. But if you want a long bed cover, you just have to choose the option for the longer bed. I'm finna drop this off so he can go ahead and get this on and get that paint on there. So we're gonna get back here so I can show y'all what the truck looking like. This gonna be the last video. I told y'all might see one more. This gonna be the last video before that thing get some paint on it. So the next video y'all see, it's gonna have some paint on it. So don't expect another update, cause the next update is gonna be the actual reveal with everything on it, bed cover on, all the pieces back on, everything. But we're gonna get in here and holler at Jarvis and look y'all. Hey, oh man, ooh, that thing. Hey, we about to get ready to go in the booth. I told y'all we about to get ready to go in the booth. He got the bed on, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That don't look crazy. Look, we ain't skin up no more, y'all. We ain't skin up no more. Y'all remember we was all ripped up on the side and stuff. He done knocked this thing out, boy. He done knocked it out. Like, we ready. I told y'all we ready to go in the booth. The only reason it ain't in the booth called waiting on clear. He wanted to make sure he had enough, cause he do a lot of work. So the clear didn't come in on time Friday. So obviously Labor Day coming up. So probably gonna be Tuesday or something before clear come in. But it's finna go in the booth. That's why it's out. I'm gonna go around. Go in the paint booth. Boom, boom. Man, we ready, man. That thing look good. Look, let me get it in depth. I want y'all to see. I know you still ain't gonna be able to see exactly how smooth it is, but I can try to give y'all an idea of the body work. See, I showed y'all the number at the beginning of the video. Then my tailgate, we're gonna use my old tailgate with the Chevrolet on it. Y'all wondering about that. But boy, this thing here look good, man. We got new locks. We're gonna use my windows, my side mirrors and stuff. We got the cover up here. We got all that. And then I just look, man, I'm gonna change that. I just looked at this dash, man. I'm gonna put a new dash in here. I'm definitely gonna put a new dash in here. I'm gonna get all that straight. Interior look good. Dash and a headliner. I'm gonna put a headliner in it. I might get the windshield change too, man. I don't know. Just to put a new glass in it. But this where we at. Boy, this thing. Wow, I can't wait till y'all see it. I can't wait. I cannot wait, man. It's gonna be on. We ain't heard this thing in a minute either. Been a minute since we heard it. But look at that. That look crazy. It look crazy when it ripped up no more. Let me back up, get y'all that good thumbnail. Boom, cause we finna go in the booth. We going in the booth. Get some paint on it. So yeah, he changed the hinges too. Forgot to tell y'all, put new pins in it. Door Open and close even better. They had to take this out cause on the new door, that stuff right there, it wasn't no good, it wasn't closing good, so they already got it all stripped out and don't change it over and stuff, man. And we got everything ready to go, y'all. So yeah, boy, it about to be nice. I probably put new carpet in this thing too. Probably put some new carpet in and everything. So it's gonna be good to go. Gonna be good to go. Yes, indeed. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. And like I said, the bed cover right here, if y'all want it, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make it easy for you. You can click on it. It's for a short bed. I think this is 6 foot bed or 8. It's a 6 or 8. I can't remember. And the long bed is a 10 or 12. I might have it backwards, but anyway, if you want the short bed, get the lower, smallest number. Then you want the long bed, get the longer number, and then it look good. I think this the same one I ran on Cheapskate too. So if you want to see how it looked beforehand, you can go look at them old Cheapskate videos, and you can see how it looks. It's a nice cover. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, look, checking in. Man, Jhall just got finished painting this one. This thing is wet. Look at it. It's factory color. You said it ain't been, you just pulled it out though, ain't it? Like 5 minutes. It ain't even been buffed in there, y'all. It ain't even been buffed or none of it. It wet. Y'all can't see it. That's what I hate. The cameras, it got some metallic or something in it. Factory color. It nice. It nice. Painted 2 this week. That thing clean. It fresh out. Not ain't been buffed and none of that. So this thing nice, man. Look at it. I want y'all to see that. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. The metallic in there. Well, I told y'all, hit them up. Yeah, they're nice. Alright, I turn y'all back on cause got a good little view of the sun. This thing really is wet. Y'all see the reflection right there, they tell you. Y'all see that reflection? This thing really is wet, man. When they clean their wheels and tires up, this gonna be nice. And it, like I said, it ain't even been buffed. It's literally just bagged it out. So y'all make sure y'all hit that number at the beginning of the video. Hey, y'all, check this out. This a pearl Jhall put on the Uncle truck, man. This thing clean, man. He had told me about it. He showed me the before pictures, but man, this bad boy clean. Y'all got. I told him, look, when he bent the corner right there, I said, man, I said, wee. It's right here, this quarter, man. Good, brother. I just hate like the camera, boy. The camera don't do it justice, man. It clean too. Then he did everything right. He got new lights, all this stuff, man. Like, he did everything right. And this thing is tough. Good wheels on it. It's a pearl white. It's a real pearl. Bad boy, nice. Been painted about a year. Now. Thing clean. Some of that Jhall work. Look at that. I said that thing clean, man. New grill on and everything. Y'all can't. The camera don't do it justice, man. You can't see it. This thing here nice. Told y'all, man, y'all hit the number right there. There it is again. Jhall Automotive. Hit them up. Yeah, that thing nice. We're gonna check back in with y'all. All right, man, y'all see it back at the house. From checking on the truck, and we on the grill. Pre-Labor Day cookout. Got these ribs on the grill, man. Y'all see one on them escape right there. He got away. It's like, throw it out there to the. We'll throw this out here to the wildlife. Let the wildlife have this. Let them have at it. The ants, boy. The birds, somebody. But anyway, out here on the grill, man. Just got done hot dogs, sausages, rib. Got some family coming over. And I always be the grill master. Chef Jay in the building. Then gonna throw them hamburgers on there. They have a good day. Y'all know. Wish y'all right here, man. Y'all can eat some of this good stuff. But I'm gonna do something for the BCG, man. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something, get my people out, man. Free food. Just to give back, man. Come eat free. And I ain't talking about just enough. I'm talking about it gonna be something left. I'm gonna do something this year. This year. Wait till it cool out. Everybody can enjoy themselves. Come out and chill out and all that. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see, I'm adding this in the vlog car. I gotta go ahead and get this straight. Took my brother-in-law on the ride ratch. Then seen the temperature run up when I got in the driveway, cause the RPM slowed down, and look at this. Bottle came off again. So this system right here just ain't gonna work, man. This system ain't gonna work. So I'm finna go ahead and put this thing on here, man. I'm gonna mount this one up. I got to shout out my guy Yo-Yo too. Cause man, he came to the track. Y'all seen him in the vlog too. Where is it? My guy Yo-Yo, man. Here it is. He got me one of these, man. I already had got one. But he had bought me one, the overflow, the same one. He gave it to me at the track. He said, I got something for you. Showed it to me. He like, man, I'm gonna just put it in the car.
Look in the cooler drink.
It's the exact same one too.
Some cold water in there.
So I got to shout out Yo-Yo. I got to shout out him, cause I don't have an overflow on Dolo. So we're gonna put it on Dolo. Cause I don't have no overflow. So like I said, shout out to him for getting that to me, man. That was love right there. So we're gonna put that one on Dolo. But for now, we about to put this thing on and call it a day. Cause like I said, it burnt that up. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna put it on this bolt right here instead of drilling, making a self-tapping. I'm gonna use a self-tapping screw, so we're gonna set it like that right there and bolt it down. Let me see. We're gonna bolt it down like that. So it'll sit like that. As long as it'll sit up on the hood, it's gonna sit like that, cause I really just need something to catch the water, man, and get thicker. So you got the optional sides you can cut off. You literally just cut the end off. And then y'all know these came from a subscriber too. Hose cutters. And he sent them to me for my birthday, so that was a good thing right there. So what I'm gonna do is hey, how you doing, Marshall? Got all the family over here, y'all. But what I'm gonna do is put that right here, and then we're gonna cut that one off, that top, and loop it around. That'll give some room for the hose. So we're gonna loop that around instead of going right there. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna go right here. And like I said, if I gotta drill it out, I'll drill it out and make it bigger. And we're gonna make it happen. So what I'm gonna do, and it come with a hose too. It come with this right here. It come with this line right here, and then the little clamps right here. And they work too, cause they'll hold the hose. They actually work, cause I got this same thing on Big Meats. So that's what we're gonna do. We finna hook this up. I might cut this though, cause this a lot of hose. What's going on, Jane? I might cut this though, y'all, cause it's a lot of hose. Cause I don't want it all laying everywhere. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take it around here, bolt that right there, and then we're gonna come back and connect to this one. So I'm gonna cut that one off, and you leave the rest on. So you gotta know how you gonna set it before you hook this up, y'all. Cause once you cut that end, it's over with. Unless you're gonna put a cap or something on it and clamp it down. So let me I'm gonna take that out, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, y'all, we checking in. So see, we got that thing hooked up just that quick. Put on that bolt right there, hold it, pop it on the tail, fold them up. I shortened the hose up, cause I didn't need all of it. I took that out. Got it hooked up. Use one of the clamps. Clamp it down with a regular clamp right there, and then we good, man. We got an overflow now, so now I'm finna put some water back in it, and we're gonna check back in. So you shouldn't have to worry about nothing. Hood should close and stuff. Let's see. It should be good. Yep. So we're gonna check back in. I'm gonna put some water back in this thing, then catch on. Y'all, we checking back in. So y'all see we got Mr. Jones all wrapped up. Let it rain for a long time at idle. Make sure it's full of water. Ain't leaking. None of that. Everything all good. So you know, we checking back in. So we gonna they're gonna do that. They're gonna do it for this video, y'all. I shot the whole thing on the phone and all that. Kind of feel like pulling the camera out, all that good stuff. So y'all see John Jones about to I mean not John Jones, brown coat about to be painted. Y'all see it, man. Jhall rolling on it. And he said today's Sunday, Tuesday we gonna be painted for sure. Tuesday we gonna be painted. Then after that, we gonna I get the truck back next week for sure. I will get the truck back next week. I'm gonna be debuting it for y'all. All that. It's gonna be good, sunny weather, everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.